see how we do. It's probably your hydraulic massage table. A couple considerations when deciding on the orientation of the table in the room is that your client has a clear path so that you don't have cords. You need to know where your outlets are. So in this room, I have chosen this outlet, which is furthest from my door. So I know that my client won't have any problems getting in and out of the room. Now that I've confirmed the orientation of my table, I can say with certainty that I would like to keep this little cabinet and added a chair, as it serves for a surface for clients to put their keys and belongings, and storage for me for my linens. The vibe is improving with some low-level lighting and with some art on the walls. Now with the addition of a little corner shelf I found, of course I needed a place for a clock, and my choice to always have plants in my treatment room, despite the fact that this room has no windows. I will just take my plant babies out for some light when they need it. So with the addition of some linens and the corner shelf, I'm really liking the way that this is coming together. Now with the addition of a few personal items, the space is finished. What do we think? All ready for clients. Thanks for joining me today while we created the space. I hoped you enjoyed learning what consideration we take in for our clients. And since I'm so comfortable here, I will be staying. So thank you for watching me create my new treatment space. And please come and visit me at 1090 Don Mills Road. I'll be happy to welcome you here.